Tired of dull skin? This 60-second trick will change everything. You won't believe how simple it is. Ever wished you could just snap your fingers and have that effortless, sun-kissed glow? We all crave that natural radiance, the kind that makes you feel confident and refreshed without needing a mountain of makeup. But what if I told you that achieving that glow is easier than you think? This isn't about expensive products or complicated routines. It's about tapping into the power of nature, using simple hacks that will transform your skin in minutes. Intrigued? Then keep watching, because your journey to luminous skin starts right here. Unlocking natural radiance, your shortcut to glowing skin. We're diving deep into the world of natural beauty, revealing those hidden gems that can elevate your skincare routine. Forget the harsh chemicals and complicated steps. This video is all about simplicity, effectiveness, and harnessing the power of nature to bring out your inner glow. We'll show you how to use readily available ingredients to achieve a radiant complexion, boosting your confidence with every passing day. The power of hydration, your skin's best friend. First things first, let's talk hydration. Your skin is like a delicate flower, it needs water to bloom. Staying hydrated is the cornerstone of healthy, glowing skin. We're not just talking about drinking your 8 glasses of water, though that's crucial. We'll explore simple ways to infuse your skin with moisture throughout the day. Think refreshing face mists and incorporating water-rich foods like watermelon and cucumbers. And for a quick boost, we'll reveal a DIY face mask. DIY Hydrating Cucumber and Aloe Mask. Blend half a cucumber with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture to your face for 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water. This simple mask will leave your skin feeling plump and refreshed. Brightening the complexion, say goodbye to dullness. Next up, exfoliation. Think of it as sweeping away the cobwebs, revealing the fresh, vibrant skin underneath. But we're skipping the harsh scrubs and opting for gentle, natural exfoliants. Here's a quick and effective recipe. Natural sugar and honey scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of fine sugar with 1 tablespoon of honey. Gently massage the scrub onto your face in circular motions. Rinse with warm water. This scrub gently removes dead skin cells, leaving your complexion brighter and smoother. Boosting the glow with natural ingredients, nature's radiance boosters. Now, let's talk about those magical ingredients that can take your glow to the next level, essential oils. Rosehip oil, with its vitamin C and antioxidants, is a powerhouse for brightening and evening skin tone. Frankincense, known for its rejuvenating properties, can add a youthful radiance. Radiance boosting serum. Mix a few drops of rosehip oil with a drop of frankincense oil. Apply the serum to your face before your moisturizer. This blend provides a potent dose of antioxidants and hydration, enhancing your skin's natural glow. Final thoughts, maintaining the glow, consistency is key. Remember, these natural beauty hacks aren't a one-time fix. Consistency is key to achieving and maintaining that radiant glow. Incorporate these simple tips into your daily routine, and you'll notice a significant difference in your skin's health and appearance. Embrace the power of natural ingredients, and let your inner radiance shine. We'd love to hear about your own natural beauty tips and tricks. Share them in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to embrace the beauty of nature.